Good evening. Just a cheeky quick one, only be a few minutes this one. But we're on Bold Street and we've just had a great day so far. So you've seen all the earlier vlogs earlier on. But we've just found this, which is called Playbox. So it's a little door, cool door. So it's like a new game station place. So it says. So let's have a look inside. So there's music playing in the background. So you have me waffling on as well over the noise of it. Make sure I don't get a copyright strike on this. As you see, you come down and it's just a really cool place. So you got a sofa there, a couple of dartboards there. You got your air hockey here. Oh, we're getting bear hockey. Don't know how much things are. Let's just have a quick look at the menu here. So what's that? £7 for one, midweek 2 for 18, and weekends 1 for 18 and 2 for 32. So all different sort of drinks there, cocktails. So like I said, air hockey. Yeah, like shooting range thing there. All different things going on there. Lots of neon. Don't know what these are, but I'm sure they look like game VR. Yeah, VR chairs. Which look cool. All work and no play make Jacks a dull boy. So you got your sport and your telly. You're dotted around pool tables. More games there. What we got with? Oh, so that pays for those two. Dance off. Just see the Lollie Markie Show on there. Ding Dong, which is that marvellous bar. A fabulous place though, wasn't it? There's your choice of drinks. Evening, sir. Hello. Well, yeah, you know, just loads of places to play and whatever. So let's go around this side. So you got this side now. I'm assuming toilets upstairs. So brings us around to this bit, which is a big area. Do food. Well, show you their food, what they eat. It's a bit mean. So again, games, another air hockey, table pong. Whoa, dare you play? Loads of nice seating area, loads of TVs, game, old arcade games, the driving games there. Wow, what's this? Speed of light, so tick the buttons like that as the lights go off or lights come on and you whack them. That's been overplayed and is dead. Pac-Man thing, like a basketball thing, feed the Pac-Man. Again, you know, nice little table, so you sat over here and it's what you want to play. Skill shooter. Oh, look at that. Bang, bang, bang. Bang, 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 bang. Don't tell me I've done it wrong, because I know. What I'm trying to show you. So what we got on here? For the match. No idea about that one. Then we got Pac-Man roller. That's cool. That's like the that game. You roll your ball up there and it bounces in the right hole. Top hole get more points. Traditional basketball games here. Again, it's lovely, absolutely stunning. You would never know this was as big as this up when you're upstairs. And then you've got more tables. Do or do not. There is no try. Superb. Mrs. Brown. Yeah. Come on, what's your big gaming? Whatever that's called. Somebody will tell me. Well, again, sit here, watch the sports. Toilets up there. So let's go back around here now. Another punching machine. Another pool table. Oh, we walked past here before, didn't we? So there you go. So a quick, very quick walk around. To show you something else that Liverpool has to offer of an evening. I think this is really cool. Although I don't think these are going to last that long on a Friday night.
Ping pong day.
I know. Beer pong.
Beer pong.
Beer pong, isn't it?
Yeah.
It's cool though, you got everything in here, isn't it?
Boys would love it.
This is a brilliant place, isn't it? I mean, you just sit where you want to sit as well. There's loads of nice seating areas, a massive bar. Tell you what, those superb. Right, okay then. So, like I said, it was only a very short one. It'll just to show you what else Liverpool has to offer. So, here you go. You come down, decide which way you want to go. So, and then back upstairs and back onto Bow Street. So there you go, just a very quick vlog just to let you see another bit of what Bow Street has to offer. So without further ado, oh, there's Radio City up there where we went earlier on in all its glory. Shame that's closing, isn't it? But anyway, is there anything you'd like to say, Mrs. Brown, before we say good night?
No, just bye from us.
Just night night from the Lollie Markie Show.
Lollie Markie Show.